how to apply the new big picture mode in Steam. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to apply the new big picture mode in Steam. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is we need to head over and open our Steam app. You can just click on this right here in order to search for it, or you can just head and open the shortcut. So as you can see, I have opened mine now. So what we need to do is we need to head over to our Steam right here. And then from in there, just click on settings. And then once you have clicked that, you can see your Steam settings and just head over to the account. Now what you need to do is you need to head over and make sure that your Steam is in the beta mode. You can enable it under here. As you can see right now, I have enabled mine, so I don't have that option now, but you will need to enable that, and then after enable that, it will prompt Steam to restart. Then after you have restarted your Steam, you will head over and see this window right here. So what we need to do next is you can just explore the buttons up here. So you can see this button, right? This button is the enter big picture mode. So you can just click on that, and then it will restart your Steam. And then after that, it will open Steam again. So let's just wait for that. So after that, as you can see, I have been welcomed to the big picture mode, and you can just press any button or tap the screen to continue. So as you can see, it will also give you some tutorials on how to navigate the big picture mode on Steam. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to apply the new big picture mode in Steam. If you have questions, comments, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks!